What's up, guys? So I'm going to take you through a quick video on how to remove the mirror caps, and I'm wrapping them up and then reinstalling them. So let's jump into it. The first step you're going to want to do is heat the mirror up and kind of just get it a little bit more pliable. If it's been sitting out in the sun all day, you might not have to do this, but there's some adhesive at the bottom, so you definitely want to loosen that up, get it moving a little easier because you're going to want to pry that. Then I take some tape just to protect the plastic around the mirror because you're going to have to pry at it a little bit, and at these corners as well. So down below, and now I'm scoring at that adhesive that is kind of right above the line, the light. And you also want to get at this corner and pry away gently, and I finish kind of scoring at the adhesive. Just take your time, go slow. Reheat as needed depending on your temperature and the surface temperature. So I had to put the camera down when I was pulling the lens cap off, but ideally you want to pull straight away, so like straight to the front of the car. You can see some of these clips. I did manage to snap one right here, unfortunately, but the others were intact. So I'm using this multi-layer carbon fiber vinyl. It's a lot thicker than a lot of other vinyls, so it's a little trickier to use. And I'm using this special tool to help it go on a little easier. And these mirror caps are a pain due to that corner. But I think I did a good job. But again, this video is more about removing the cap. I figure I'd just show a little bit of this for the video. So when you put the cap back on, this is where those clips are going to go in. And you can see there's that adhesive along the border of the light here. You can add it. I didn't add it when reinstalling. So this is the finished product from the vinyl wrap. You know, I'm not an expert. I think it came out pretty good. We'll see how it holds up. Sometimes these mirrors have a high failure rate. I usually don't recommend removing them when you're installing because you can break clips and stuff like that. I mean, this is my car, so I was willing to take the risk. I think the install was a little cleaner. I was able to wrap around with this vinyl. They want you to wrap as much as possible to prevent lifting. So here I go. I'm going to reinstall it. And again, you're just going to want to put it right in straight from the front to back, and you'll hear some little clips. Again, just take your time. It's pretty easy. And even with that broken little clip, it stays on, no problem. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. As always, consider subscribing, comment with any other video ideas, and I'll catch you guys soon. Until next time.